A few convenient things you should know about us. We're open every day. For fast turnaround time, we keep every part in stock from 2006 till now. We give free on-the-spot estimates. We also have 3 really easy ways you can get your device serviced by us. We have walk-in, mail-in, or free pickups. For walk-in, you don't have to make any appointments. You could just walk on by. For mail-in, mail it in, we'll diagnose it, call you with an estimate. When it comes to laptops and iDevices, we'll even go ahead and cover shipping. For pickup, you can request a pickup on iCleverTech.com. It's super easy. You fill out the form. We'll go ahead and give you a call or a text message and set up an appointment. We'll figure out the best place and time that works for you, even if that's your home or office. So I hope these options are really, really easy for you. If you have any questions or want to get a quote over the phone, just feel free to call us. We'll go over these options with you again. And until then,